Hey guys, so today I'm doing something different. I have two boxes that I have to unbox. One from sorry, my camera just moved. One from Walmart and the other one is from Amazon. It's pretty heavy, so I wanted to do that with you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open these boxes so we can see what's inside. Anyway, all right, so you know the Christmas is right around the corner and you have to treat yourself. So instead of me buying people a gift, I'm over here treating myself, so don't come for me. So anyway, I have these two boxes to go through. These are items that I bought after I watched my girlfriend Emma's IGTV video. You gotta check it out. I'm gonna put the link below, and also you can follow her on Instagram. It's at Emily Love. I'm gonna put that link below. So I got some items after I watched her Walmart haul video, and I was so excited that she found so many great things from Walmart. So here I am unboxing my own Walmart purchases. But anyway, let's do this together. These are just you know, something to treat myself, so why not? I don't expect anybody to give me a gift for Christmas, so might as well treat myself. Ooh, so there we go. OMG, I am so excited. I'm so excited. I love ordering things online, especially after somebody review it and tell me the quality. I don't mind purchasing. I just like receiving boxes and unboxing them. So first we have this sweater. By the way, she told me that her go-to brand from Walmart is Time and True, and I think the other one is No Boundaries. I'm not sure, but you need to go watch her IGTV. So this first item is a sweater. It's a sweater, and it's a Chennai sweater. Am I pronouncing it right? Chennai sweater. All right, Chennai sweater. So I've been looking for a nice black sweater. Look at this beauty. It's pretty thick. Who would think this is from Walmart? This is pretty thick. I got this in a medium because I love my sweater a little on the chunkier side. I'm not going to try it on. I'm just going to show you guys what I got. And then in a later video, I can do how I style these items. So let me know if you want to see that video. Alright, so this I got in the medium. I'll link everything down below because I'm not sure of how much I paid for each items. I purchased them like sometimes last weekend, and 3, 4, 5, 6 business days it's already here. So yeah, so this is the first item that I got. Next I got this dress. I got this dress after I saw Hyla Lux. If you're not following, you have to go follow her. She's on YouTube. She's amazing. I love her style. I love all her videos. And I saw this dress. Oh my god, it looks big. It's a size small, but it's a slip dress. It has adjustable stripe and it has that lace trim details that I like. It just looks so feminine. And let's see how long it is. Yeah, and you should go check her page out and see how she styled this. This would be really nice for the holiday. For a holiday party, just put some sweater underneath and layer it. I really like this brand. It's from Walmart, but see the brand. What is it called? Love Sidey? I have no idea. Love Sidey something. So yeah, check it out. And the material is pretty good. Next I have, I think I have another order on the way because I think I ordered like at least 10 items. Emily Love, you got me sold on Walmart. Next is this beautiful beautiful sweater in my favorite color. It's beige. The material is pretty soft. It's pretty thick. And this is Time and True. It's a size small. This one I wish I had gotten in a medium, but I think the small is gonna work. I'm gonna try it on later. And next we have, ooh, this one is huge. All right, so this one has a price tag on it, but the other one doesn't. So next we have this I think this is a cardigan that I ordered. By the way, this crap sweater cardigan is from Marshall's. OMG, look at this. I love the color. I got this in the medium. It's pretty huge, and I don't like the fact that it don't have pockets. I don't know. After I try this on, I might take it back because of the pockets issue. I really love pockets because I carry a lot of things with me, and I like to put stuff in my pockets, especially my car keys, my phone. So I really like this. And you should see the model online that wore this. It was really pretty, and I thought I should order it, and I like the color. It's pretty thick. So it's time and true medium, and this one I pay $29.68 for it. So next is another black sweater because I'm on the hunt for like a mock neck chunky sweater. I've tried turtleneck, and I don't know if turtleneck is my style. I really love seeing it on people, but yeah. So this I got in a black. Obviously it's a small, time and true, and it's so soft. So there we go. Yeah. And next we have, ooh, okay, so so this is actually a set. And this set was 30 bucks, but if you buy it individually, I think it's more expensive. So let me show you. And this also I got because I saw Emily Love set that she wore, a knit set. It's wide leg, which I really like. This is a size small, and yeah, so look, this is a size small. I think it's supposed to be high-waisted. Oh my god, I can't wait to style this. So you guys let me know if you want me to do a style video of all the items that I got from Walmart. And this is the sweater that goes along with that, and I can't wait to style these. And last we have this Chanel sweater. So next is this Chanel cream color sweater, and OMG, it looks so chunky. I got it in the medium. I'm so glad. And yeah, and it's so soft. It's time and true also. Yeah, so that's all the items that I got from Walmart. Open the Amazon box. It's pretty heavy, so I can't really lift this box. Let me just try to get it from here. Ooh. My scissors are pretty sharp. Anyway, there we go. Okay, I got one side open. There we go. Alrighty. So I'm sure you guys can really see in here, but let me give you a glimpse of what's in here. My ring light. We can go through it. OMG. This is heavy. I got my ring light. I got my ring light. So the reason why I ordered the ring light is because my studio light is too big, having both of them in my office space, and this space is a little too small for two lights, studio lights. So I thought I should get something like this. That way I can film at any time and make more videos. Let's see what's in here. Reseller must have items. I have all mine listed on my Amazon store page. Some of my favorites, some of the ones that I use. So what's this in here? So the first box, oh, it's a tripod. So the first item is this stand for the light. Let me take that out. And I think it's supposed to do this. I'm not gonna put it together today, so I'm gonna just show you guys what came out of the box. I don't know what this is, or I think this goes on the stand. All right, so next it comes And a case. Nice to carry this around or store it. So, and it's the newer brand. Okay, so that's everything in that box. I'm gonna just put it over there, and let's see what's in this nice little bag that came with the light. The bag don't open all the way, I guess, so you can be able to carry the light. So first we have this. I'm already loving this. I have another box in this bag. There's nothing else in this bag, but it has like a padded foam right there, I guess, to secure the light. And it has it on both sides, so I really like the packaging. Try to secure your items so it can get to you in one piece. There we go. So this is what it looks like in this box. These are for the ring light. So you just attach these to the light. There's four of them. I'm gonna put that right there because tonight I'm gonna try and put them together into the wall. So I'll put that over there. It's pretty. The light is actually pretty light. I thought it was gonna be heavy. It's pretty lightweight, so it's easy to carry it around. And I don't know what these are for the light as well, but after I go through the manual, then I'll find out what I need these for. It comes in 4 as well. This is the instruction manual. So that would tell me how to assemble this. This is for your smartphone, and it goes onto the stand or tripod. So this is this right here, and then you attach this to the middle and put your smartphone in here, so it sits in the middle of the ring light. Alright, so and then last we have the remote. That's it for today. I'm Fancy and Chic on all platforms. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later on my next video. Also comment down below if you do a video styling these pieces that I got from Walmart. I will be excited to do that. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.